Hi friends, welcome to the channel again. So yesterday what we discussed that about Nifty is that Nifty is in third wave and we'll make some consolidation over here. I think I was correct and the view was also very clear. Okay, so if you have not seen that video, you should go ahead and see that video. Why I was repeatedly telling that Nifty would be going to do some consolidation. Okay, going to do some consolidation, and this view was given by me yesterday. So this is the third wave completed. Okay, this is the first, this is the second, and some consolidation happen over here. So right now what else tomorrow can be happen. So what I am supposed to tell that this is the fourth wave which is completed. So or otherwise it is a question mark whether it is completed or not. So we don't know. Okay. So now what next? Okay. And repeatedly I am telling don't go for the long position because long position is not yet clear. Okay. There is no change in the trend reversal as of now. But you people are going ahead and getting some position about 15,000 and asking me that whether to book profit or not. I cannot tell that this is not a trend change or this is a trend reversal. This is a wave theory. Okay, in the wave theory everything go like this and like this. So you should understand that see this market now the Nifty has made the third wave. Now it is in the fourth wave, and fourth wave I am telling repeatedly that consolidation when it will happen. I am waiting for this retracement. Actually I'm waiting for this retracement. I didn't get the retracement over here, very small retracement which is the inner wave. Okay, I'm waiting for this retracement, and today we got this retracement from the Nifty, and I was very clear that Nifty would not go towards 15,000. Today also if you see the data, yesterday also I was very clear that see 15,000 is the great resistance over here. It is standing like a pole. You cannot cross this 15,000. Next the 14,900. Okay, then 14,800. So today even 14,800 is not crossed. Okay, but what we are supposed to, what we are getting is that 14,000 is the rock solid support, and after that 14,500. Okay, so 14,500 to now it is 14,800 and 900. Okay, so Nifty can be zooming over here, which is the fourth wave. Okay, so what I was telling is that yesterday only I told that Nifty will go towards will get some bounce, but you should not get any long position. You should be standing over here to take some short position. Okay, not for long position. This is not the area where you should go for the long, because there is no change in the trend. Okay, so am I be very clear? Okay, so now let's do some analysis. So where how far the Nifty can go, or what it can make. Okay, as I told you once again I will tell. Okay, once again I will tell, this is the wave 1 completed. Okay, this is the wave 1 completed, and this is A, and this is B, and this is C. Okay, which is going on, and when it will complete we don't know. Okay, this is the first move, and once it will complete, this will be again A, and this will be B, and will go straight towards C. So distance, so whatever the C it will make from here to here, here to where, whatever is the point will get, that will be same distance it can go. Okay, that I am telling you right now. So this is what 13,600 to 15,400. So this is the range from where from the Nifty start trending, it will go directly to that point. Okay, so that is what the this one. But right now it has not started any move, not no change in trend has been started. So once it started only, then I can tell you that you should hold that position or that position. So no out of the money, no out of the money position should be held by you, because out of the money will expire worthlessly. If you are holding monthly out of the money, that is okay, but still I am not in favor of out of money options. Okay, so so this is I should make very clear to you. So right now let me tell you the moving average actually what I was applying, and always I am telling is that play with this moving average, you will be always in a profit. But this moving average only according to the Elliott analysis, it can get, you can also get some whipsaws where where you will feel that I need to close my position, I am in a loss or something like that. Okay, see what happened. See from here the volatility, yesterday only I talked that there will be a mean reversion from here, because volatility has very high now, and there will be a mean, now the mean reversion will happen. Okay, now tomorrow we'll see we'll see one more consolidation, and we'll be having some fall towards this one. Okay, so this is 1 2 and this is 3, this will be 4 tomorrow, and 5, where we'll get some diversion, positive divergence. If you see, then you can take position, but my this one is that right now I'll go to the 15-minute chart, then will be very clear. Now let's go to the 15-minute chart. Okay, see what it is making, you can you yourself figure it out. So see, it is a triangle. Okay, it is a triangle, and when this triangle will break, either it will break from here, either it will break from here. Okay, but what I'm telling, even if this is a triangle, so where it is going to break, it will going to break downward only. Okay, if it is going to break upward, then again some consolidation will happen and it will break downward, and then again we have to draw the trend line. So right now I will tell you, if you are going long, please mark my this one. This is the resistance area, 14,850. Okay, what is the resistance we are seeing over here? 14,800. 14,800 is the resistance, 14,900. So 14,800 to 900 is the resistance, strong resistance is there. Okay, then the more resistance is 15,000. It will never go, that's why they have wrote the 15,000 level. Okay, this level it will never go now. Okay, so this expiry, if you feel that on Friday we'll see that whether it going to break or not. Tomorrow also I don't feel it will going to break, because even if it is going here, it will again retrace back. Okay, it will again retrace back, and I am telling again, hold your short and don't take any long position, because there is no trend reversal. Okay, there is no trend reversal. Okay, so this is where we'll see tomorrow. I am also telling that if you are not holding any shorts right now, you don't take any shorts, because trend has been matured. Okay, we are holding the short position from the first wave only. We are holding short position from first this one, wave 1, and now the trend is going to be matured, and trend is going to be matured at what position? Trend is going to mature at 14,500. Okay, 14,500 by Thursday. I think 14,500 should at least it will come and then bounce back. Okay, now from here people might have started dumping their monies to go towards up. Okay, but if you hold short now, what will happen? So it can truncate from this position also. So the range is here, 14,850 to 14,630 is the range actually. This is the range. From here they will create some panic to go down, go up like this. Okay, so but there is no major trend reversal, so everything, your option, whatever you hold out of the money will expire with 0 values. So that is what I am telling, don't go for short or don't go for long now in this area. In this area we should play only the strangles, short strangles. So which you should always be aware of that. If you don't aware of the short strangle, I will make a video for that, how to play short strangle in the fourth wave. People will use the short strangle for any move and they will give all type of gyan and theories, but nobody knows how to play the short strangle so that you will be very much in a profitable trade. Okay, so that is what I am telling. Okay, so yesterday only I told that there will be a consolidation over here, and today you saw that the consolidation comes. Okay, so we are right on the track. So be track my video so that you will be also be in no loss position. Okay, so right now see, right now we are in this position. So tomorrow we may come down over here and we can see some go back and then some pull back over here. So we'll see surely 14,000 up to here, I think 14,500 or something odd position we can see. Okay, otherwise how you will take the long position, I told you this is the long position 14,850. Other or if you see, you are going out of this blue line, if you are seeing the candlestick out of this blue line, then you can see, you can take the long position. Okay, so please hold on for this expiry. I think on Thursday we'll get a chance to enter for the long position. For tomorrow also I don't feel to enter into the long position because we don't know the market direction as of now what is happening. Okay, over here, because it is in fourth position. Third position I am telling you that hold and you are in the profit. Okay, fourth position I cannot tell because this is a range bound market. Here it will be always range bound. Okay, here it will be always range bound, and we cannot know that which way it will go. It will be in the sideways market. So when it is in a sideways market, you should sell at the top and you should get the profit. Okay, so I was very clear yesterday also, and today also I am very clear what is going to happen. Okay, tomorrow also we may see the downtrend only. Okay, if at all we are moving a gap up or something, we'll see a back retrace toward this move. Okay, because fifth move is still pending and it has not been done. Okay, unless fifth is done, how you will expecting that this one it can go up. Okay, so at least it can come again to the 14,630. Okay, if it is breaking 14,630, and please mark my words, 14,550 to 500 it will come. Okay, and if you are going up, then you should always track this position to exit all your short position. Okay, this blue line, this blue candlestick, the blue 13 days moving average market, I will be making this one in a okay, I'll making this blue candlesticks. Okay, this one you mark it. If it is going up and if it is 14,850 it is crossing, then you can take your long position. If you see two candlesticks are going, okay, two candlesticks are coming, two green candlesticks are coming, then we can see a trend reversal, and from there we can start counting 1 2 actually. Okay, so that's all guys for Nifty. Regarding Bank Nifty also the same thing actually. This is the fourth move which has happened today. Tomorrow also we can, if we can see some consolidation to fall towards this fifth move. I am repeatedly telling that we are not there is no major trend reversal, or there is no I am not seeing any long position is created. Okay, though data may be showing something that they are accumulating the position, because fifth wave is all set to accumulation. But as per the price is still will come to low. Okay, price will still come to low, and we can see 34,890 over here. Okay, and this zone. Okay, and when the price will reverse, then I will let you know, because there I think there is a divergence over here. See, if you could see the divergence over here, and this divergence would make the confirmation that they are creating a long position. Okay, divergence is there. So once the price will come over here, then we can be sure, we can be assured, it will, this RSI will assure us that okay, now we can take the long position. Okay, still then if tomorrow there is a, if tomorrow if according to my view it is not working, then you can go ahead and take 35,006 this 670, above 35,670 if the candlestick is closing, then there can be a trend reversal and you can take long position. Okay, that is not problem. So that's it guys. Be keep some strict stop loss if you are in a long position, or now if you are going to hold any short position. Okay, so as of now I'll be telling you no short position as of now, because it is matured, as I'm repeatedly again and again I'm telling, trend is matured, and we, even if you get some short position, will not get any profit. Okay, long position you can still get, but long position we have not got any major trend change reversal. Whenever there is a trend change reversal, I will let you know. Okay, happy trading.